In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, gracious, and precious. Welcome to one of my another video, and welcome to Cardon. And the subject English, object speaking and reading. And this lesson belongs to page 36 up to 41, and it's class 11, lesson week 9, and Mount Jaozong. Here we are going to talk about compound adjectives, which is related to page 36. As you know better, adjectives are words with by a noun or a pronoun, but here we are going to talk about compound adjectives. A compound adjective is formed when two or more adjectives are joined together to modify the same noun. Whenever some adjectives are combined with each other and they are modifying the same noun, that's called compound adjective. These terms should be hyphenated to avoid confusion or ambiguity. And it's important to use a hyphen between the adjectives because of avoiding confusion or ambiguity. It means that whenever you see some compound adjectives, it's better to be hyphenated, because whenever it's not hyphenated, it might make some confusion or ambiguity for readers. For example, Diana submitted a 6-page document. She adopted a 2-year-old cat. I left this brightly light room. Danish dog is well behaved. As you see, these are all compound adjectives. اینا تمامشون صفات ترکیبی هستن که از یکجا شدن دو و یا بیشتر از دو صفت به وجود آمدن و از اینکه امبیگویتی ازش، یعنی دودلگی کنفیوژن ازش دور بسازیم، و از هایفنا هم استفاده شده تا بهتر بفهمین که یک compound adjective هستند. And also here we have another issue by the name of sequencing clauses. It means sequencing clauses that we might have talked about 2 actions or 3 actions. ممکن که ما در مورد 2 عمل و یا 3 عمل صحبت کنیم. For example, let's talk about sequencing clauses, which is related to page 39. Like verbs, infinitives and participles are capable of conveying the ideas of action in time. Here, verbs also express actions in different time. Infinitives and participles can also convey the idea of action in time. Therefore, it's important that we observe the appropriate tense sequence when using these models. It means that whenever we use these models, it's better to know how we should use. We should know the sequence. باید سلسله را بفهمین که یک عمل بعد از یک عمل دیگه اجرا میشه، از کدام حالتها میتونین استفاده کنین. Okay, the first one, for action which comes before another action. عملایی که قبل از یک عمل میایم. There are 2 ways. Having plus past participle. Having past participle, it means third form of the verb. Having همراه با حالت سیم فعل. For example, having watched TV, we ate dinner. See, this action happens before this action. It means there's an action which was watching TV, and it's also happened before this action. The next one is after plus ing form. After watching TV, we ate dinner. It means that this action happens before this action. The second one, for 2 actions which happen at the same time. Sometimes there are 2 actions might be happening at the same time, and here is the usage that a present participle. Present participle means the ing form. Visiting the Grand Canyon, they took some photos. It means during visiting the Grand Canyon, these people also took some photos. یعنی در جریانی که عمل در حالت جریان بوده، یعنی از گرند کنیون بازدید میکردن، تصاویر هم گرفتن. حالت دومش as plus past simple. as همراه با past simple یعنی حالت گذشته میتونید استفاده کنید. As they visited the Grand Canyon, they took some photos. These are some sequencing clauses that you should know about this structure, and it will be very useful for you. whenever you talk about more than one action which will happen in the past. And thank you very much, dear students. That's enough, and I hope you learn something. Wish you all the best.